Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Craigslist to dark mode. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and use Craigslist in dark mode. How do you actually go ahead about doing that? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into your Craigslist account. Next, you're going to click on Account located on the bottom right-hand corner. And then from here, you're going to click on dark mode options. Now, once you click on dark mode options, you'll be able to choose between dark and light mode, or you can actually use your system setting. So click on always dark. And then the key thing here is that you need to click on the OK button. Okay, a lot of people often forget this. So click on OK, and then your Craigslist settings or appearance should change to dark mode. So if you want to change it back to light mode, just click on dark options and then click on always light and then click on OK. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Craigslist appearance to dark mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.